Hi folks, how are you doing? Welcome to Devops Challenge. So today's question is, how do you configure a Git alias for frequently used commands? These are the four options you have. Give it a try. The correct answer is the fourth one because the first one is Git alias and it doesn't exist. It is added just to confuse you. Editing dot gitignore file also. Gitignore is for ignoring the files which won't be committed. By adding alias, dot alias file also does not exist. So running git config command, we can add alias. Let's see a couple of examples. Okay. So you can create custom alias to shorten long command, making your workflow more efficient. So instead of git checkout, you can say git co or git st for git status. What is the syntax? Syntax is this. We will try this out. Git config minus minus global alias dot alias name, then git command. So for example, this one we are going to try it out. Git config minus minus global alias dot st status. So now we can do git status. We can also do git st. Git st. This is the alias we have created. Git st. This is also working. And this, since I have mentioned minus minus global, it will be there in the global config directory, which will be, if I see here, this is the one, dot git config. So it's under home directory. You can see that alias is added here. Alias is equal to status. But if you don't use a global, then it will be added in a local repo. So this is my local repo hello react. And if I go there, dot git, and there is also a config file, it will be added here. That also we can try without adding global. Let's say git, instead of git st, we can try git log. Yeah, git log. Git log one line. So I want to print the one line log and alias lg global I will remove. Okay. Now if I do git lg, instead of, I can do git log minus minus one line. That is the full command. And shortcut is git lg. Same thing I'm getting. Now if I open dot git slash config, I'm already in dot git. So if I open dot config, I can see that it's added in the local one. lg log minus minus one line. So this is the local to the repo. If I go to the other repo, this shortcut won't work. But global one, anywhere it will work. Global one is in the home directory, you have git config. That log thing is not added here because I did not use minus minus global. And if you can see all the configured alias using this git config minus minus global minus get regexpress alias. So let's try that out. So global one, you can see if I don't use minus minus global, then I'm thinking it will show the log. Okay. So it's showing both. So it's not only global, it's showing both. So I'm not specifying that whether I want to see global or not. I want to see all of them. So here I can see all the aliases I have created. And we already discussed that if we use minus minus global, it's stored in git config. And if we omit this, it's stored in the local file, that is the repo specific. And if you want to use, if you create a shortcut for multiple commands like this, here you are creating alias ACP. If you use the command git ACP, then it will execute the command git add, git commit, git push, everything. So to do this, you have to use this symbol, bank symbol before that git add. So that's it for today. So if you like it, please like it, like, share, and join the WhatsApp channel. There I post regular this kind of quiz and interview questions.